A 20-minute nap seems harmless. You close your eyes, wake up refreshed, brain sharper. But this short sleep period changes neural activity in ways most people ignore. Timing matters. The paradox begins here. During a 20-minute nap, your brain enters stage 1, an early stage to sleep. The hippocampus begins consolidating recent memories. The prefrontal cortex reorganizes synaptic connections. The thalamus recalibrates alerting signals. Even brief sleep triggers bursts of slow-wave activity essential for memory and emotional regulation. Nap inertia is the grogginess after waking. Your cortical alerting circuits lag, decision-making slows, mood dips. If you overshoot stage 2, sleep transitions toward deep slow-wave sleep. This triggers heavy inertia. Mistimed naps backfire. You wake disoriented. Cortisol spikes, focus disappears, productivity drops. Your brain experiences neural resets, but you feel worse. 20 minutes without circadian alignment becomes a paradox. The only factor that ensures benefits, nap timing aligned with circadian alertness dips. Early afternoon, 20 minutes. Avoid deep slow-wave sleep. Your brain consolidates memories, resets alerting circuits, and mood stabilizes. Done correctly, short sleep enhances your day. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Evidence-driven sleep psychology. Next insight waits.